Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. Today I'm going to teach you guys this simple makeup tutorial. I am not going to do a lot of makeup. I am just taking my trusted MAC powder foundation, which is in the shade NC20. Just going to, simply blend it into my skin. A little bit of it, not much. I don't like heavy makeup during the day. So just going to even out my skin. This powder foundation works really well for my skin tone. I have just lightly dabbed it all over my skin. Because it's summer, that's why am using a powder foundation. Because if I use a cream one, it's going to crease everywhere. And I don't like my under eyes being filled with creases, so I thought I'll use a powder foundation instead. And I want very light coverage, that's why I'm using this fluffy brush. Just going to dab it in, cover all my open areas like so. So that's it for my powder foundation. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take this palette. I'm going to take this pink blush and blend it a little into my skin for that rosy summer kissed look. Blending a little on my nose and a little here. So musical I sound, guys. Yeah, that's about it. We are done with the flushed sun-kissed look. This is how my makeup is actually looking if you see it in like sunlight. I'm really liking it. I'm just going to blend the blush a little from this side because I feel it will be too sharp for the day, but it looks pretty decent. And now I'm not going to do a contour or anything, just taking the highlighter from the same palette, putting it across my cheeks, a little on my nose. Not very shiny also, but just to get that little dewy effect. And yeah, we are kind of done with the makeup. Just going to apply mascara and a little bit of the highlighting shade under this. And we're also going to do kajal today. It's been long since I did a kajal. So I'm taking this rotator kajal from S Beauty and just putting it across, lining my waterline. I like this subtle kajal. I love it. This looks so good. Now I'm going to apply my favorite mascara from Too Faced, which is the brown mascara. I don't know, for some reason I've started liking brown mascara more than the black one. Wow, looks good. Wow, I am loving how it's looking. I love how this is turning out. And I'm avoiding a lot of makeup, so all I'm going to apply is this Clinique Black Honey Lip Balm. Look at how stunning it looks. Love it. And now for the hair. Let's see what we do today. Do you think I should keep my hair open? No, I think I'm going to style them a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comb it up once. And let's see if we can do a nice high ponytail with it. Yeah, this is kind of looking okay. I think I like the ponytail because it's very hot outside. So I'm just going to go with a simple ponytail, nothing very fancy for the hair. It's too hot to do like any like open hairstyle, especially. Like, I can't do that. I don't know about the rest of you. I don't know how girls manage to keep their hair open during summers. Even I do at times, but that's mostly evenings, not during the day. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye. Well, I love how the makeup has turned out to be. It looks so stunning, and this is how it even looked in the sunlight. I like the glowy dewy effect. If you want more such tutorials, please mention in the comment. I'll see you very soon. Much love.